Okay, folks, in today's video, looking at probably the nastiest, the hardest quadratic simultaneous equations I've seen here on a GCSE 921 maths higher tier paper only, so higher tier only. This is definitely a grade 9 plus, even GCSE further maths as well, and also ASP maths here, and even A level maths. Okay, so question number 8. We have to solve algebraically here the simultaneous equations x squared minus 3y squared is equal to 13. 2x plus 3y equals 4. Now, step 1, label it equation 1, equation 2. I'm going to rearrange equation 2 or formula 2, okay, to make it x equals to y equals. I'm going to go for x equals here to make it slightly more easier. So I'm going to take the y to both sides. Okay, and I have 2x is equal to 4 minus 3y. Okay, I've subtracted 3y here on both sides of my equation to balance each side respectively, and I'm going to divide it by 2. We have x is equal to 4 minus 3y over 2, or 4 minus 3y all halves. I'm now going to substitute this back into equation 1 to have an equation here that involves just y's. Okay, we're going to have 4 minus 3y over 2 all squared. Okay, because obviously I'm showing x there. Okay, I'm subbing it in. Minus 3y squared. Then I'm going to subtract the thing here. Okay, so minus 13, make it equal to 0. Okay, because I want that quadratic here to be equal to 0. Okay, so this actually looks like a pretty actually nasty here, but again, take it bit by bit. So yeah, expand the top, actually expand the bottom. Obviously, actually that'll be 4. So this will be over 4. Then I've got 4 minus 3y times 4 minus 3y. Okay, so I'm expanding a pair of brackets, a pair of binomials. Okay. Obviously, copy down, yeah, the rest of it. So minus 3y squared, okay, minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay. So expanding the top, okay, we're going to get 16, okay, minus 12y. Okay. Minus 3y times 4, that'll be minus 12y again. Then we're going to get minus 3y times minus 3y, that'll be plus 9y squared. Okay. Again, let me just delete some here. So I've got some space. Okay. Okay, all over 4. And obviously minus all this. Okay, so I'll leave it on there. So I'll put dot, yeah, dot for now, and then obviously equal to 0. Okay. When I do this, guys, what do I get? Well, so on the top here, we're going to have 16 plus 9, so that'll be 25. Oh, sorry, 9y squared, sorry. There we go, sorry about that. Okay, right. So collect that terms on the top. Okay, sorry guys, if I've actually butchered this, yes, sorry, I'm actually butchering this video. Okay, minus 24y plus 16. Okay, quarters. Okay, and we got minus 3y squared minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to times everything else here by 4. Okay, so let's actually delete this here just for now. Okay, so let's start deleting these bits so I can come back to it. Okay, so when I do this, guys, I'm going to have 9y squared minus 24y, okay, plus 16 minus 12y squared, and then minus 4 times minus 13 is minus 52. That's equal to 0. Okay, I've now got a quadratic here, which obviously I can rearrange. Okay, this minus this, that'll be minus 3y squared. Okay, minus 24y plus 16 minus 50. If you're not sure, okay, that will be minus, let's have a look. So let's work it out. Sorry, I can't do it in my head. Okay, take that, I can't just need to borrow. 12 take 6 is going to be 4. 4 take 1 is going to be 3. So minus 34 is equal to 0. Okay, times everything by minus 1. We're going to have 3y squared plus 24y. That should be a y, not g. Plus 34 is equal to 0. Hopefully, I've not actually made a mistake here. If I have, I apologize. Yeah, but I'll double check it as I'm going through. So 4 minus 3y over 2. Okay, expand top and bottom. You get 16 minus 24y. Okay, plus 9y squared. Okay, so that's all correct. I've times all this by 4. Okay, because I don't want a fraction. Okay, I'm now going to try and solve it here. So this one can't actually be solved, so I'll try to solve it using the quadratic formula if I can. Okay, so I'll do it on my calculator here, sorry. Okay. So solving quadratics. Okay, we got 3 x squared, sorry, y squared, sorry, plus 24y plus 34. Okay, right, that is a nasty one actually. That's quite nasty. Okay, so to 2dp, sorry, I'll put x there. So we're going to get y is equal to, okay, so I'll put it in here, the quadratic formula here. So minus b plus minus b as the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So a is 3, b is 24, c is 34. Yeah, something next year. So I sub it in here to the quadratic formula. And when I do that, okay, I get minus 1.84, okay, to 2dp, and then also minus 6.16 to 2dp. And the corresponding x values, okay, so it's a bit more nastier now. Okay, so we're going to have 2 times this. Just give me 1 second, guys, you have to actually work it out. Okay, sorry, I have actually made a little mistake. Sorry, 12 take 6 is not 4. Sorry, it should be 36 there. Okay, not 34. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, it's my fault. There we go. Okay, so that's a bit more nicer now. Okay, I can factor out a 3. We get 3 brackets y squared plus 12y, sorry, plus 8y plus 12. So that your solutions will be y equals minus 2 or y is minus 6. Okay, and you factorize that. Okay, so you have 3 brackets y squared plus 8y, okay, plus 12. And then if you factorize the bracket here, so that'll be y bracket, sorry, I can't even speak to you guys, sorry about this here. So that'll be 3 lots of, okay, y plus 2 times y plus 6. So everything I did so far, actually, guys, was actually right. Actually, it was actually right. I made a little error here. Okay, when I was working out, yeah, this take away this. Okay, it should be minus 36 here. Okay, when you factorize that, you get minus 2 minus 6. Your x solutions will be, okay, so when x is minus 2, sorry, when y is minus 2, you have 2x minus 6 equals 4. Add 6 divided by 2, so x equals 5. And then lastly, when y equals 6, that'll be 18. You have 2x plus 18 is equal to 4. Take 18 into both sides, yes, so that'll be 2x equals minus, so 4 minus 18, yes, so what would that be? 4 minus 18? No, sorry, so minus 6, sorry, minus 6, so there we go. Sorry, it should be 4 plus 18, okay? That'll be 22 divided by 2, we get 11. So x equals 11. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the solutions are as follows: x equals 11, y equals minus 6, and x equals 5. Yeah, y equals minus 2. Okay, sorry, actually, yeah, for actually butchering that, guys. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Again, don't panic here. Okay, there's a lot of steps here. There's a lot of steps there. Okay. So we rearranged the second equation to make x the subject. Then I sub that into equation 1. Okay. Obviously brought all my terms here to make the quadratic obviously equal to 0. Okay, at the same time. So minus this here. Okay. Then I expanded here top and bottom. Okay. And I got that. Okay, so that was all fine. Okay, I rearranged here. So that was all fine. Okay, the mistake was actually here. Okay, so 16 minus 50 makes actually minus 36, not minus 34. Okay, and then from there, managed to obviously recover it. Okay, we factorize the 3 out, okay, or divide everything by 3, and we got y squared plus 8y plus 12. Okay, so you want two numbers that add to make 8 and to make 12. That'll be 2 and 6, because 2 plus 6 makes 8, and 2 times 6 makes 12. Okay, and then to work out your solutions here, you obviously flip the sign inside the bracket. Okay, so yeah, so you get y minus 2, y minus 6, okay, and then obviously sub it in there, the sub into equation 2 here to make it a bit easier to work out, yeah, what your x values are. So x equals 5 when y is minus 2, x equals 11 when y is minus 6, okay, and that is a very, very tricky and a nasty grade 9, okay. Hopefully this kind of question obviously comes up here because that'll be nice, easy marks. Well, not easy marks, but I mean, it's quite nice and chunky marks in the exam. Okay, so this is almost certain to come about. I think, yeah, in this is, I think, yeah, Edexcel actually paper, even OCR actually, and even AQA. Okay, so practice and revise, yeah, solving quadratic, some of these equations. Okay, for GCSE maths. Okay, and this is also appropriate for A-level maths too. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.